Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this part of this video I'm gonna show you the UV map editing in Cinema 4D and in Blender. If you want to shift to Cinema to Blender or Blender to Cinema 4D, this video will help you. So let's start. So first I'm gonna add a sphere in Cinema 4D. Sphere Cinema 4D, segment, change the segment 32, and this is the Cinema 4D. Pressure to editable mesh, pressure to editable mesh, okay, and then putting them in other hand the Blender, add mesh, UV sphere, click it here, and the segment 32 and ring will be 32. Okay, to make it editable, press it here, press Alt click to move. To go in UV map editing workspace, go to top right and click here BP UV editing, and in Blender go to UV editing, shift middle mouse to move, shift middle mouse to move. This is the same, Alt and middle mouse to move UV map is the same technique. You can now I'm selecting this option, so we cannot touch the UV mesh. If we select here, we can touch the mesh. You can select here. If you select it here, select particular vertex or select, press Alt click to move particular, press Alt click particular area and press Ctrl A and layer, brush, swatch, different color, UV map to make the sphere. Click here, this is the position, cylinder, this is the cylinder position, frontal, this is the frontal position, flat, this is a flat position, cubic, and the same technique you can find in Blender. So how to do it? Press here UV unwrap. This is this default UV unwrap. You can find the cube projection, smart UV position, light map pack, follow active core, cylinder position, the cylinder position. Again press U, project from view, press again cube position. This is the cube position. Smart UV position. The smart UV position, same as the Cinema 4D. Control Z. This is the texture, empty canvas, select circle. This is the menu, image, UV mesh, select connected, select height selected. If you want to hide something, selected, height selected. And if you want to unhide this, unhide all. And if you want to import some image in UV map area, go to the file, new texture, and click on the from disk, new texture, click it here, and from your directory select image and open and press. The UV mesh automatically align with the image size, and the same technique you can find in Blender. How to do it? Go to the image menu in UV map area, new, image, open, and documents download, open. The same technique, the mesh is automatically aligned with the image size. The same technique. Or you can change the image raw is non-color, and the default was sRGB. Close this texture, close this texture, or in Blender, now if you want to relax the UV, so we'll see and apply it here. It's automatically relax. If you select the ABF technique, use tag or pin to neighbor and apply. This is a different technique if you choose the different option here. Position, transform, scale to and apply. It automatically scale the UV. 1 optimal mapping. You can use here optimal mapping in Cinema 4D to change the size of this brush. Just press middle mouse to change the brush size and move alt middle mouse. Apply, stress to fit, again 2D 20%. This is the different technique to scale this UV, and you can find the same technique in Blender. Click it here to grab, to change the brush size, grab, press N to hide this panel. This is relax. This is the relax. The same as this C4D. And you can pinch. To move, shift middle mouse. You can pinch. Okay. Now this is the default UV map, and you know the UDIM technique. UDIM technique is currently available in Blender. You know the UDIM technique, UDIM technique, and the UDIM technique. To find the UDIM technique, press N and keyboard and selecting view, and you can see the UDIM grid. To press 2 or as your need. Now press 3 or 2. This is the UDIM space of UV map editor. I'm using the 2 and hide this little panel. This is the UDIM technique, and go to the face mode or press Ctrl Tab, or you can select here middle mouse button to rotate, press shift middle mouse button and press C to select some area, or hit enter. press the select, press C, hit enter. And now I want to split this area. To do this, go to the select menu, select split, and now you uncheck this option. Press A to select and Z, press X to X-axis, Z for grab, and press again. Deselect all and select the another area. Hit enter. This is the another area. Again we are following this same technique. Select split, click on this option, press A to select and grab in X-axis. Okay, press it again. This is the newly added UDM technique in Blender. And you can see the different option in a different menu in image, UV map editor area. Transform, you can find the mirror, snap to pixel, live UV map, unwrap, pin, unpin, mark, seam. How to make a seam. First go to the 3D area, select the edges and press Shift Alt and go to here, mark seam and press A to select everything and press U in here and unwrap. Or you can back island, average minimum stitch, weld line, export UV layout. How to do export UV layout? Go to the UV, export UV layout. At first we change the UV map, UDM to default. Go to UV map menu, export UV layout, stop download, change the formats is .svg, EPS and PNG. So the PNG and size 1024. Now we wanna change into 2 and fill quality, export UV layout as PNG format. Go to the download menu, sphere PNG. Again we try. Export UV layout, download sphere PNG, fill opacity 0.5, export its UV layout. Now you can see this is the 2K size image. And you can select link, split, toolbar, view tool size, frame fit area, UV. Now to hide this panel, press T. To unhide, press T again, or you can click it here, or you can click it here, or press T to unhide left panel, to unhide right panel, properties panel, press N. This was the UV technique in Blender Cinema 4D. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again.